Hello friends, welcome to Bankers Platform. So friends, in today's session, we will discuss the questions and these questions will be regarding most expected questions for bank promotion exam. So friends, let's start this session and friends, you can make notes of these important questions for your future reference. So let's start with our first question. Our first question is, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced how much amount of a formal government guarantee for bad bank or National Asset Reconstruction Company, that is NARCL. So our options are over rupees 10,500 crore, 20,000 crore, 30,600 crores, 40,800 crores, 50,200 crore rupees. So let's see what is the right answer. And the correct answer of this question is third, that is over rupees 30,600 crore. Okay, let's see our next question. Question number 2. Reserve Bank of India has imposed rupees 5 crore fine on which of the following bank for non-compliance with certain rules on payment ecosystem. तो फ्रेंड्स आपको बताना है कि रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने जो है 5 करोड़ का जो फाइन है लगाया है किस बैंक पे लगाया है फॉर द non-compliance in payment ecosystem. Our options are IndusInd Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, IDFC First Bank. Let's see what is the right answer. And the correct answer is second, that is Axis Bank. So friends, the Reserve Bank of India on 28th July imposed 5 crore fine on Axis Bank for non-compliance with certain provision of central bank's norm on payment ecosystem between banks as a corporate customer, cybersecurity, and financial inclusion norms. So let's see our next question. Question number 3. FDI limit in NPS fund manager has been hiked from 49% to dash. So friends, NPS you all would be knowing, National Payment System. So friends, NPS में जो है FDI की लिमिट वो कितनी बढ़ा दी गई है? Our options are 55%, 60%, 65%, 70%, 74%. Let's see what is the right answer. And the correct answer is fifth, that is 74%. Let's see our next question. Question number 4. Which of the following section in the Negotiable Instrument Act deals with the Bill of Exchange? So friends, Bill of Exchange के लिए कौन सा section है NI Act का, that you have to tell. Our options are Section 7, Section 5, Section 9, Section 11, none of these. Let's see what is the right answer. Correct answer is second, that is Section 5. So friends, Section 5 deals with the Bill of Exchange. Let's see next question. Question number 5. Which organization has unveiled Digital Prayas, an app-based digital lending platform? So friends, यहाँ पे आपको बताना है Digital Prayas. It's a app. So which organization has unveiled this? Okay, our options are Reserve Bank of India, Small Industries Development Bank of India, National Housing Bank, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, Export Import Bank of India. Let's see the right answer, and the correct answer is second, that is SIDBI. So friends, SIDBI has given this Digital Prayas app for the digital lending. Okay, let's see our next question. Question number 6, that is रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. सो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे आपको इन फिल्स जो हमारे फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स हैं इनको आपने फिल करना है. सो रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया हैज डिसाइडेड टू चार्ज पेनल्टीज ऑन बैंक्स फॉर नॉन अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ कैश इन एटीएम. सो फ्रेंड्स, आप सबको पता होगा नॉन अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ कैश विल अट्रैक्ट पेनल्टी. तो यहाँ पे आपको बताना है ये पेनल्टी जो है वो कब से स्टार्ट होगी. ओके, इन विच मंथ इट विल स्टार्ट ऑफ 2021 एंड कैश आउट एट एनी टाइम ऑफ मोर देन डैश आवर्स इन ए मंथ. तो कितने देर के लिए, कितने घंटों के लिए एक महीने में अगर कैश आउट है, देन दिस पेनल्टी विल बी देयर एंड हाउ मच पेनल्टी विल बी देयर. सो लेट्स सी the right answer. Correct answer is starting from 1st October. So friends, 1st October say this rule is applicable, and if the cash out situation is there for more than 10 hours in a month, then there will be penalty of 10,000 per ATM. So this is a very important question, and it's having a lot of possibility to come in the coming bank promotion exam. So this question is also one is there that in case of white label ATM, the penalty would be charged to the bank which is meeting the cash requirement of that particular white label ATM. Let's see next question. Question number 7. NSFR has been proposed within Basel III फुल फॉर्म ऑफ NSFR। तो यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स आपको NSFR की फुल फॉर्म बतानी है। ऑप्शंस आर नेट स्टेबल फंडिंग रेशियो, नेट सिक्योरिटी फंडिंग रेशियो, नेट स्टेबल फोलियो रेशियो, net stable financial ratio, and none of these. Let's see what is the right answer, and the correct answer is first, that is net stable funding ratio. So friends, NSFR, net stable funding ratio, will require banks to maintain a stable funding profile in relation to the composition of their assets and off balance sheet activities. Let's see next question, question number 8. The saving accounts of politically exposed person is categorized as. So friends, if you have opened the account of a politically exposed person, so in that case, what will be the risk category? High risk, medium risk, zero risk, low risk, none of these. Let's see the right answer, and the correct answer is first, that is high risk. So high risk will be there. Let's see next question, question number 9. MMID is a dash digit unique number issued by bank upon registration. तो फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे आपको बताना है MID जो नंबर है दैट इज ऑफ हाउ मच डिजिट, और ऑप्शन आर 7 डिजिट्स, 8 digits, 9 digits, 6 digit, 4 digits. Let's see the right answer, and the correct answer is first, that is 7 digits. So MMID is a 7 digit number. So MMID, the full form of MMID is mobile money identifier. Okay, and it is a 7 digit unique number that allows the user for immediate payment service. So this we use in IMPS, and the MMID is given by the bank upon registration. Customer can make payment using IMPS through their registered mobile phone or via SMS from the same. So let's see our next question, question number 10. What is the time period for realization of goods exported to warehouse established outside India? So our options are 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 15 months. So let's see what is the right answer, and the correct answer is fourth, that is 15 months. So friends, जो भी हम export करेंगे वेयर हाउस जो establish है outside India, तो उसकी जो realization है, उसकी जो payment की जो realization है, वो 15 months के अंदर हो जानी चाहिए. So friends, this is a set of 10 questions, and I hope so you are benefited from these questions. So friends, thank you, thanks for watching. Please like this video and share this video with your friends who are preparing for bank promotion exam, and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you friends, have a nice day.